Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to come up with this amazing, super delicious drink that will help you in getting rid of that blurry vision, cataract, and enable you to see clearly. If you want to learn how I come up with this drink, then keep watching. The first ingredient that we're going to be needing for this amazing drink is carrots. Carrots are the most known food to help with bettering the eyes. Usually when you go to the doctor, when you go to see the eye doctor, they tell you to eat carrots. And they are absolutely correct because carrots contains high amounts of beta-carotene, which the body utilizes to produce vitamin A. They are a good source for lowering cholesterol levels and yes, for improving vision. Vitamin A helps the eyes convert light to a signal sent to the brain, allowing you to see better even in low light. So carrot is very good for your eyesight. It also helps in diminishing cataract and also clear out those blurry vision. So if you want to see clearly, read tiny letter, and also at night, carrot is a very good source that will help you in seeing clearly. I'll be using 3 large carrots for this recipe. You want to peel out the skin of the carrot. It depends on where you get your carrot from. I got mine from the grocery shop, so I would like to peel out the skin first. Use water and salt to wash it to get rid of the bacteria. Okay, you want to get rid of the bacteria on the carrot. You don't want to work with a dirty carrot. So after that, I will chop it into smaller pieces in order for my blender to be able to blend it very well. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is garlic. Garlic is very medicinal. It helps in different kinds of illness. It helps in getting rid of infection in the body. For this purpose, I will be using garlic because of its strong antioxidants, which help in getting rid of cataracts. If you are suffering from cataracts, using garlic or onions as a substitute help in getting rid of blurry vision, helping you to see clearly even at dark. I'll be using 4 cloves of garlic for this recipe, but if you don't like the strong taste or smell of garlic, you can substitute this garlic with onion. It's either you use your yellow, white, or your red onion, but for this recipe I'll be using garlic. Garlic can also help to reduce blood pressure. It improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. So taking garlic as part of your diet will help you in getting rid of some certain illness in the body. It will help you to fight against bacteria, infection, and also inflammatory in your body. So taking garlic tea or incorporating garlic to your diet is very good for your system. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is red bell pepper. I'll be using 1 large pepper for this recipe. Red bell pepper contains high amounts of vitamin C, which is good for the blood vessels in your eyes. It also contains vitamin A. The vitamin A and beta-carotene in red bell pepper offers good support for your overall vision and eye health. In fact, scientists suggest it could lower your risk of getting cataracts. So eating veggies like red bell pepper will lower the risk of you getting cataracts. And if you want to take red bell pepper, I will advise that you take this pepper raw. Cooking this red pepper will reduce the content of vitamin C to 25%. So when taking red bell pepper, if you want to get all the full benefits, you take it as a fruit and not as a veggies. You eat it raw. Okay, guys? So after washing and chopping the ingredients, I will be transferring all ingredients to a blender. If you're watching to this extent and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. After transferring it to my blender, I will be adding a cup of water to be able to blend all ingredients together. If you are taking this as a smoothie, you have the need to blend it very well to a very smooth paste so that you can be able to enjoy it without eating those big chunks of fiber in your smoothie. But for this recipe, I will be sieving out the juice from the fiber. So you want to blend very well. So after blending, I will be sieving out the juice from the fiber. You want to sieve as much juice as possible if you are sieving. But if you are not sieving, it is best to take it in as a smoothie. In fact, you will have all the full benefits taking it in as a smoothie if you can be able to drink it as a smoothie. You can also store the fiber of this sieved juice. Okay, you can store it, you can dry it in your oven, or if you have the sunlight, you can dry it. You can use it for your skincare. Okay, nothing is a waste. You can use it for your scrub. You can even use it to make your soap. So this is not a waste. The fiber is not a waste. I'm not going to throw that out. So after sieving, this is how the juice is looking like. So guys, this is what we have here. This is the drink that will help you to get rid of cataracts, blurry vision, and enable you to read tiny letters. Taking this drink, at least a cup of this drink for 14 days, will improve your sight. There are 2 videos that will pop up on the screen at the end. Please do check on any of them to see what is in the content. And I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. And don't forget to share to your loved ones. Bye.